Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a quick and effective endurance workout for men that you can do right at home. No gym required. This routine is perfect for improving stamina, boosting energy, and building overall fitness. We'll go through 4 exercises that target your entire body. Exercise 1. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Start with classic jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Keep a steady pace, stay light on your feet, and breathe deeply. This is a great warm-up to wake up your body and improve cardiovascular endurance. Exercise 2. Push-up to shoulder tap, 45 seconds. Get into a push-up position. Perform a push-up, and at the top, tap your right shoulder with your left hand, then your left shoulder with your right hand. This challenges your upper body strength while engaging your core for stability. Exercise 3. High knees, 1 minute. Stand tall and lift your knees as high as possible while running in place. Pump your arms and maintain a fast, controlled pace. High knees are excellent for building lower body endurance and increasing heart rate. Exercise 4. Plank to alternating arm reach, 45 seconds. Hold a plank position. Extend your right arm forward, then your left. Keep your core tight and avoid swaying. This move strengthens your core, shoulders, and improves overall muscular endurance. Repeat this circuit 2 to 3 times, depending on your fitness level. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between rounds. And there you have it, a full home endurance workout in under 15 minutes. Stick to this routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll notice your stamina and energy levels improving in no time. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Comment below which exercise was your favorite or any variations you love doing at home. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.